This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the device off and setting it face up on a soft surface so nothing scratches. Once done, heat an edge for 10-20 seconds with a hairdryer on low. That loosens adhesive and reduces cracking. Make a small lift with a fingernail, guitar pick, or old credit card. Aim for just enough gap to fit tape or a suction cup. You do this because controlled warming prevents the protector from shattering and gives you a start point to peel. You peel at a shallow 10-30-degree angle, pulling slowly and evenly across the screen so the adhesive releases without stress. If the protector resists, attach strong tape or a small suction cup to the lifted corner and pull steady, or slide unwaxed dental floss or fishing line under the edge and use a sawing motion to separate adhesive. Make sure to reapply brief heat as needed, and dab 70% isopropyl alcohol at the edge. You finish by removing any leftover adhesive using 70% 90% isopropyl alcohol or a dedicated adhesive remover, applying with a cotton swab and wiping with a microfiber cloth so residue won't trap dust under a new protector. Once done, inspect the glass for scratches and let all solvents evaporate before reapplying protection. If the protector tears, bubbles, or the screen unexpectedly lifts, stop immediately, reheat the area. Try floss or tape again, and if still problematic, consult a repair pro to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.